Hi, and welcome to part 2 of creating an 18th century men's shirt series. In part 1, we started creating our shirt pattern. And by the way, if you didn't watch it, I will leave the link of part 1 for you in the description below. In this part, we will complete creating our shirt from its cutting pattern in Marvelous Designer. So let's get started. Now we are in Marvelous Designer, and in part 1 we have created our front and the back part of our shirt, the epaulets of our shirt, the neck gusset, and the collar of our shirt. And we have sewn them together and simulated them on our avatar. Now let's complete our shirt by creating the sleeve of our shirt. Our sleeve is 50 centimeter width by 45 centimeter height. So go to create a rectangular pattern, left click and enter 50 centimeter width by 45 centimeter height and press OK. Now we have created our sleeve pattern. Now we need to create our sleeve cuff, which is 25 centimeter width and 8 centimeter height. So create a new rectangular pattern here, enter 25 centimeter width by 8 centimeter height and press OK. Now our sleeve cuff is done. Now we want to create our sleeve gusset. And as you can see here in this illustration image of our shirt, this part is the sleeve gusset. Our sleeve gusset is placed between the sleeves, the front part and the back part of our shirt. Our sleeve gusset is square, dimension is 12 by 12 centimeter. So let's go create this square pattern. Left click 12 by 12 centimeter, and here our sleeve gusset. Now in our 3D window, let's start placing our pattern. Let me show the arrangement point. Let's start placing the pattern in its place. Now I will place the sleeve pattern like this, and the sleeve cuff like this. Let me adjust a little bit the sleeve pattern. Okay, now the sleeve gusset, we will rotate it 90 degree like this, then 45 degree like this, and place it under the sleeve pattern like this. Okay, now let's start the sewing process. Let me close the arrangement point and let's start the sewing process. We want to sew the sleeve pattern with the front and the back part of our shirt. So first I will go to edit pattern and select the segment, right click, split, and I will uniformly split it into 2 equal parts. Then go to the 3D window and select free sewing. Now I want to connect this part, as you can see here in the 3D window, this part with the front part of our shirt, which is on this segment. So I want to connect from here to here to be sewn from here to here, and the same thing for the other half. I want this part of the sleeve to be sewn to this part of the back part of the shirt. Let me enlarge the view. I want this part to be sewn to this part. So from here to here will be sewn from here to here. Now we have connected, or we have sewn the the sleeve pattern with the front and the back part of our shirt. Now let's sew the cuff with our sleeve pattern. I want it to be sewn from here to here, from here to here. And let's close our cuff for now. Our cuff will be then refined and we will add buttons and buttonhole to it. So, but we'll do this later. Now we want to sew our sleeve gusset with our sleeve and the rest of our shirt. Now I want to sew this part or this segment of the gusset from here to here with this segment of the sleeve pattern from here in this direction. So from here to here, from here to here, I want it to be sewn from here to here. Now to the back, and I want to sew this part of the gusset from here to here to be sewn on this segment in this direction. So I want from here to here, from here to here to be sewn from here to here. Let me do it again. Undo. And I want from this point here to here to be sewn from here to here, from here to here to be sewn from here to here. Okay. Now let's connect our gusset with the front part of our shirt. I want this part of the gusset from here to here. I am pointing with my cursor in the 3D window and I'm looking to my 2D window. So I know the direction of my sewing. So from here to here, I want it to be sewn from here to here. From here to here, like this. I want it to be sewn from here to here. The same thing in the back. I want this part of the gusset from here to here to be sewn to the back part from here to here. So again, from here to here, from this point to this point to be sewn from here to here. Now I think all the sewing for our sleeve is done. We still need to connect these parts of our sleeve to close it. So but before I start sewing, there is an opening here in our sleeve which is 8 centimeter long. So go to edit pattern, select this segment and right click split. I want 8 centimeter. Now I have an 8 centimeter segment here, and I will hit Shift Z to show the dimension on my pattern. Select this segment, right click, split, enter 8 centimeter and press OK. Now I have an opening which will be 8 centimeter long, and then go to free sewing. I want to start sewing from this point to this point to be sewn from this point to this point. And now our sewing is done. Let's hit the simulation button and see if there is any problem will appear. Hit the spacebar and let me check our perfect. Everything is doing well until this point. Now we have created our first sleeve of our shirt. Let's stop the simulation and go to pattern mode and select all our sleeve part and the sleeve gusset. Ctrl D to create a symmetrical pattern with sewing and place them in the opposite direction. Then go to selection mode in the 3D window, select the part and move them to the right place like this. Then we will hit the simulation button again. Okay, great. Everything is perfect until this point. Now I will stop the simulation and I will start connecting the back and the front parts together, but I have an opening here. This opening is 20 centimeter long. So go to edit pattern and select this segment, right click, split. I want 20 centimeter, press OK. Then the same thing at the back part of our shirt, select the segment, right click, split 20 centimeter, then start sewing them together, go to free sewing and start sewing the front with the back part. From here to here, I will sew it from here to here. And due to the symmetrical pattern, the same thing will happen in the opposite side. Now we can hit again the simulation button, simulate, and everything is perfect. And here it is. Our shirt, our 18th century men's shirt, phase 1 is done. In phase 1, we have created our shirt in Marvelous Design. In phase 2, we will start refining our shirt. We will start refining our color. We will make more refined cuffs. We will add buttons holes, and we will add top stitching. And I will leave all this refining process for the next part because I want to focus on the refining process. So this is the end of part 2. I hope you have enjoyed our video, and please, if you like our video, subscribe to our channel and like our video. So see you later. Bye.